Okay, let's do a quick tour of this solar system. Started with the battery monitor that shows that we are actually charging, but only with 2 watts. Well, as will be explained later. So the battery monitor uses this shunt to figure out what's going on, where the current is growing. And here is the battery. It's lithium iron phosphate, so that's a very peaceful chemistry. And there is a big fuse and the battery isolator, and then we can go up to the charge controller. That's a very small one, and the load is also connected here, so we can charge through USB mobile phones and through the USB-C connector, even a MacBook Pro. And then what's left? Oh, where does the solar come from? And there is this circuit breaker, and the solar panels are here. And it's like, okay, that's the reason why we have only 2 watts, because they are behind the window and they are facing basically north, so they never get the sun. And why are we doing this? Well, okay, this is not the real use. This is the winter storage, but it's still producing some. Let's look at closely how it looks like. Does it show this beautiful structure? Maybe not. However, with the 250 watts panels, we can get up to 6 watts when there is reflection. So when it's cloudy, it can charge the battery. When it's sunny, well, it cannot really charge the battery inside the office. Again, this is of course the winter storage, but it still does make sense. It charges the phone, occasionally the laptop, and normally, well, with the small charge controller, we can get around, I think the maximum I saw was 83 watts coming in. Okay, so it's a little DIY solar system.